Hello everyone. So right now we are going to unbox something. So I bought this for 840 pesos. It is the Baseus monitor lamp or monitor light. So let's open it now. Confused about the model or the authenticity because most of the items that were available online is called I-Wok, not I-Work. But this one is, oh wow, it says on the page that it is I-Work, but it is actually the I-Wok series. But when I search on it within the Baseus website, we can't find anything. So anyway, it's pretty much popular and a lot of people are buying it, and I thought that I would also need it for my monitor because I like the lights turned off at night when I'm using my desktop. So let's see what it is. Baseus lighting. I don't know. I've seen some foreigners pronouncing it as Baseus, and some local people calling it Baseus. But whatever it is what it is. So it's the I-Wok series screen hanging light USB asymmetric light source. Let's see this first. No blue light, no strobo flash, 3 lighting modes, touch control for stepless dimming, simple alley process, installed and fixed in 1 second. Are you sure? Stable metal counterweight, USB power supply. So that's most of it, I think. So it's from Shenzhen, China. Script and check. Let's this. I'm not familiar with it. Okay, let's check later. So the contents of the box, it's very well packaged. So this is the warranty card. I would need the receipt from this. Some stickers as well. The manual. So we have. This is the cable. Let's try to open. So it is a Type-C cable for the power source. And we have the actual light here. It's heavy and it looks good for the price, huh? So it's a matte finish. It's not shiny at all. It's really good, really good. I haven't read the manual yet, so I might have to wing this. It's a bit heavy. So we can adjust this. Also, this is the first time that I have this kind of item, so I don't know how to use it yet. So this is the first time. Okay, where do we put the power source? Straight at the back. Okay, so we'll have to test it, right? Power source. Power source. Power source. And then let's put it straight at the back. There we go. We can open it with a star screwdriver, with a star head. So let's try it. So I've made a mistake. Apparently I plugged it in to a non 5-volt USB port. So now I change it to 5-volt port and we're able to use it. There we go. This for the power, right? So it activates or triggers with very little effort or touch. You don't need to touch it hard, just a slight touch would be enough. Sometimes it doesn't work also. So I think it's not stable, but it's okay since it's not that pricey. It's less than 1,000 pesos. So these for the power. These for the power, right? Power. And this for the mode. Change the mode. Change the mode. Yellowish. Change the mode again. Combination of yellowish and whitish. I don't know what's that called. I'm not an expert. This is the white light. Okay. So apparently this one is for the memory, so that when you turn it on, it will go back to the light mode that you have set to memory, but it doesn't work when I tested it. So it says exactly like that in the manual. Memory function, the third one. This one is the memory function. So it only says here, a note that the memory function does not work if unplug the USB power cable or power off and then turn on the lamp. But the white light is the initial mode that will turn on by default. So it's a little bit confusing. It's confusing, and for me it doesn't work. But I don't have a lot of problem with it. But you only have three kinds of light modes, and I don't need to use the memory. Honestly, yeah. So let's try to install it on the monitor. So here we are. This is the monitor. Let's try to install. Let's try to put it. So it should be like this, right? Should be at the back, and then there's a clip. It feels really stable. Feels really stable, actually. It's the truth. So let's try to turn off all the lights. and try to turn on. Oh wow, it really makes a difference. It's really good. It's really good. I don't know how clear it is on the recording. It's really good. So I guess this is the white light. And let's try the yellowish light. Looks really good. The screen is supposed to be gray. Next is, I think it's the mixture. And then let's try again for the white one. Wow, I really like it. I really like it. I don't care about the memory thing. I think that's the only feature that I don't like. But overall, I like it very much. It does what I needed to do to be a monitor lamp. So it's a thumbs up for me. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, so this is Don't Do This. Thank you very much. After a day, it's a bit frustrating, so I would just like to update. It works. It doesn't work. See, it's a bit frustrating. Come on, turn on. There it goes. Change mode. It did change. Change. It did change. Change. Does it change? It changed. Turn on. What the? So earlier it was this, and now it's just this.